Hi guys, do you know what is an inflatable? An inflatable is specifically a boat or something similar that must be filled with air in order to float on the water or function as intended. Usually, an inflatable consists of the product itself, ropes, and a blower built in it. The most ordinary types of inflatables are inflatable products and air-holding products. It often has an air intake on itself. By the way, there are 3 use patterns of inflatables. Floating is the most common use pattern. You can see a hanging inflatable in a shopping mall. In many sea parties, a floating inflatable is usual. After my introduction of inflatables, have you known what is an inflatable? Let's enjoy inflatables made by us. If you have some intentions, please